What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to put some blades in this riding mower. This Craftsman YT 4000 riding mower with a 42-inch deck. So the process is pretty much the same with all riding mowers. It's pretty easy. I'm going to show you how to do it, and stick around. Please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Let's get started. Go ahead and use this, lift it up. Oh my goodness, look at that. Look at that. So what we're going to do with both sides is we're going to take off this bolt. Same thing on the other side. Make sure you don't flip them. You can put them on backwards. You can see right now, look, the blade cutting edge is really chewed up. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. I like to hold on the blade with a rag, so when it kicks back, it doesn't hurt your hand. That's it. And you gotta make sure that you put the blade on. That's why I dropped it straight down. That way I know which way is the cutting side. All right, so I got the old one next to it. You see, this is upside down. It'll still fit, but it's upside down. You don't want that, okay? See, it'll still fit. You gotta make sure that it's right side up. You got the cutting edge there, cutting edge there. The biggest difference is right here. It's kind of concave a little bit. I don't know if you can see that. Same thing on this other one. So that side is gonna go in there. See the star? See the star? It goes in this star. So basically, you just make it fit like that. I don't know if you can see that real good. Then put your bolt in. You gotta kind of hold it because you don't want it to move, because you could always drop it and have it go off center and still tighten it. You don't want that. You want it. Of course, no, it's not gonna. Gotta see what I'm doing here. There we go. Here we go. I turned on the power on it so it doesn't hit it as hard. See, that ain't gonna go anywhere. There we go. That's it. Since I don't have the impact on this one, I'm gonna go ahead and hold the blade while you loosen it. There we go. There we go. See, same thing, got the old one down. Make sure you're putting it on the right way. It looks exactly the same, which it does. Usually it's concave side down, so gotta put it on there till it lines up. Take out some of this dirt. Look at all that. There we go. Woo. Alright, now comes the final test. I'm gonna go cut the grass real quick. I'll be right back. Now what I'm feeling for is any abnormal vibration. Sometimes something goes wrong on the deck and just something's not right. Especially on the one side, it kind of left me a little kind of worried I wasn't going to put it on right, but I do feel it is on right. But if it's really wobbly and the deck's real wobbly, then you know that that blade's not on right. So it should be nice, perfectly balanced, and it should cut really nice. So I'm going to go cut real quick. I'll be right back. it for a nice little test drive out there in my yard. It cuts really nice and straight and even. There's no kind of shakiness or wobbliness to it. So I'm happy with it. So thanks again for tuning in. Please subscribe. We'll catch you on the next one. Later.